Alright guys, welcome back to Nifty Network. Today we have a G35, G37 Sedan, and I'm going to teach you how to remove your airbag safely. Alright, let's get to it. Before we do this, let's go unhook our battery. So take a 10 mil, and just undo that, pull that straight up, just kind of put that out of the way, like that. You don't need to take both off, but since we're right here, there you go. And then we're gonna start off by popping these two little corner, or the little steering column beauty pieces right here. So just get your flathead and kind of pop that in there. Let's try not to scratch this. So that pops out, and then there's gonna be another one, same thing on the other side. And then you're going to take your safety Torx. It is a T30. The difference between a Torx and a safety Torx is the safety Torx actually has a hole in the center of it. A normal Torx will just be solid right there. These require a safety Torx. So if you look in there, there's like a little, like a point that comes out in the center of it. And this fits just perfect in there. Just like that. Alright, so you got that in there. And if it falls in there, don't worry about it because you're taking your airbag off. So you're going to have access in there. 9 times out of 10, they do come off. So you take one off each side, and then just kind of put your finger right here at the top of this, and then slide it out like that, and you're going to have two cables in here. And you're going to grab your pick, and there's like a little notch on the bottom of this black thing. Just slide the pick under there. Don't pull it all the way out, just enough to release it, and then you just get under it, pop that out. And that right there is how you remove your airbag on a G35, G37 Sedan.